Okay, students, listen. We'll teach you one 2 marks question today. Then I will start with the problems. Okay. So first idea: one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. Write the eigenvalue for one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator or linear harmonic oscillator. We are asking for 2 marks question. This carries 2 marks. Okay, this is one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. This is also called by the name linear harmonic oscillator. What is the question that we are framing here? Which is the question? The question is, write the eigenvalue for one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator or linear harmonic oscillator. This is carries 2 marks question. And another important 2 marks question is, what do you mean by 0 point energy? What do you mean by 0 point energy? What is 0 point energy? That also we are asking for 2 marks. Okay, first idea. No derivation here according to your syllabus. Only starting with itself we have to write the equation. Eigenvalue is given by En is equal to h nu into n plus half. This is eigenvalue. That's all. That's all you have to write. Where, continue further, where n is an integer here, of course, including 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. These are the eigenvalues. If you are putting n is equal to 0, you are going to have E0. E0 is equal to, here n is equal to 0, E0 is equal to h nu divided by 2. That is half h nu. Half h nu. This is called zero point energy. 0 point energy. This is the lowest energy of the eigen in linear oscillator. What is that meaning? What is that meaning of this? What is that meaning? The meaning is, what do you mean by 0 point energy means? This is the lowest energy. This is the lowest energy of the eigen. Lowest energy of the eigen in linear harmonic oscillator. In linear harmonic oscillator. That's all. Which is not 0, of course. This is non-zero. Not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. This is a concept. Carries 2 marks. This is also important. We are asking this question for 2 marks. An important question for 2 marks. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. Then this implies E1 is equal to, here n is equal to 1, you have to put 3 by 2 h nu. Put n is equal to 2. E2 is equal to, here n is equal to 2, you are going to get 5 by 2 h nu, etc., etc., etc. you are going to get. That's all about Schrodinger wave equation. That's all the concept. So just to go through this according to your syllabus, we are asking these two very important 2 marks questions that we are asking. Write an expression for eigenvalue in the case of linear harmonic oscillator. You have to write this, 2 marks. What do you mean by 0 point energy? For this equation, n is equal to 0 if you are putting, E0 is equal to h nu divided by 2. This is the lowest energy of the eigenvalue. Lowest energy in the linear harmonic oscillator, which is not equal to 0, So E0 is not equal to 0. The lowest energy is not 0. It is something else, that is h nu divided by 2. That is called by the name the 0 point energy. If you are putting n is equal to 1, you will get 3 by 2 h nu. N is equal to 2, 5 by 2 h nu you are going to get, etc. Different energy levels you are going to get. That's all you have to learn. Okay. Yes, one problem you write. Write a problem. I will write it here. Write this. First problem. Calculate the permitted energy level calculate the permitted energy levels of an electron in a box 1 AU means angstrom, 1 AU wide, width is equal to 1 AU. Given mass of the electron equals mass of the electron equals 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. This is whatever it is given in the problem. Let me solve this problem. This is a problem. First we have to write the data. The data how we are going to write. The width is equal to 1 AU. Width is equal to 1 AU. This is the width, L. Like this, the box length is given, box is present like this now. Okay, like this is the length, x is equal to 0 to L. So L is equal to 1 AU, means 1 angstrom, means 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. En is equal to how much? We want to calculate. M is given. M, mass of the electron, is given 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. This is M. En formula. En is equal to n square h square divided by 8m L square. 8m L square is the formula. Let us do the substitution for this formula here. That is equal to n square. It is a variable. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that we have to put into h value. Planck's constant. Planck's constant is equal to 6.625 10 to the power minus 34. That square. This is h value. 8 m value 9.1 10 to the power minus 31. Capital L value 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. That square. that square. If you are calculating this, do the calculation quickly. Do the calculation quickly. Do it fast. N square as it is I will write. Remaining things you do the calculation. Finished? Got the answer? This is the answer you are supposed to get. So many joules. I want to convert this joules in the form of EV now. Joules to EV I supposed to convert. That is equal to N square 6 into 10 to the power minus 18 joules is there. How to convert in terms of EV? Divided by 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 so many EV, electron volts. Joules to EV if you want to convert divided by 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, because 1 EV is equal to 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. Therefore, En is equal to, divide this. You are going to have 38 N square in terms of EV, in terms of electron volts. Now, minimum energy of the electron is how much? Minimum energy of the electron. Minimum energy of the electron is given by E1. Put n is equal to 1, that's all. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. E1 is equal to 38 EV. E2 is equal to, put n is equal to 2. This implies E2 is equal to here 2 square multiplied by 38. That is equal to 152 EV. Put n is equal to 3. You are going to get the third energy, that is E3. That is equal to 3 square into 38. That is equal to 342 EV. Etc. etc. you are going to get. That's all the problem. It carries 4 marks. This carries 4 marks. Okay. See that? Understand the problem? Finish it off quickly. Okay. Yes. Second question you write. Second problem. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Write this. Calculate the wavelength of an electron having a velocity of 2 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Given mass of the electron equals 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. First you write the data. So whichever the data it has been given, you write the data first. So which are the data are given? M is equal to 9.1 mass of the electron, 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Velocity is given V, 2 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Lambda is equal to how much? Formula you write. Lambda is equal to h divided by mv. Can't you do the substitution for this? Do the substitution and get the answer. Okay. So lambda is equal to h divided by mv. Lambda equals h divided by mv. Lambda is equal to h value 6.625, 10 to the power minus 34 joule into second. Mass of the electron is given already, 9.1, 10 to the power minus 31. Velocity is also given, 2 into 10 to the power 6. Substitution is finished. Calculation is left behind. Do the calculation. SI unit so many meters. So many meters. Write it fast, quickly. Answer it. Do the calculations. How much is the answer? How much is the answer you got? Answer. Do the calculation. 3.64 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is the answer you are supposed to get. Is it correct? Just to check it up.